Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I'm sharing this for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt. You could possibly destroy your shower head, you could possibly void your warranty, and depending upon where you are geographically, it may not be permissible to do this. With that being said, this is what I did, and I'm sharing this for entertainment purposes only. Enjoy. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is the Speakman Anystream, and what I'm going to do within this video is remove the flow restrictor. Check your local regulations, check with your government or whatever before you attempt this. I'm just sharing this for entertainment purposes only. But so you can see it's got that O-ring in there, and it's got the mesh screen. Now there's also another restrictor, but what I'm going to do is just take the O-ring out, and let's see what kind of water pressure we get. So I've broken off a few of the tabs, but you can see that black rubber ring is still kind of in there. So I'm just going to take the entire water pressure thing out. So I'm going to get a screw it in, and then pull it out. So see, now I just screwed a screw in there. If I had a longer screw, it'd probably be better. But I'm going to grab that screw with a pair of pliers and pull it out. Hopefully pull out that entire water restrictor. Okay, I'll admit I'm not the best dude with tools. But look at that. I screwed it in the middle. You can see there's that rubber ring. Now you can see how that rubber ring there would obstruct some of the water flow. So what you might want to do first is get a pair of like tweezers and pull that rubber ring out and see if that gives you enough water pressure. But what I did is just pulled this entire thing out with a pair of pliers. Didn't ding up the inside of this in any way whatsoever. So let's go ahead and put this shower head on. This Speakman, let's get this Speakman in the shower and let's let it speak to us. Here we go. Unrestricted. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.